Hey guys, it's Ender and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing off my custom 3D printed Beyblade, Spartan Aries, Vanguard Spiral Dash. I created this Bay 9 months ago, back in I believe September. I use Vanguard so that the weight can be more evenly distributed. Due to the heavy steel spear, it causes it to be unbalanced. But it's a left spin attack type. These little barbs as it hit repeatedly until it hits the spear, usually causing a burst or a ring out. I use Spiral Dash due to it being a good attack driver with the spiral shape at the bottom, of course, and the dash red spring to make it harder to burst. Okay, we're back now. I went to grab a stadium for a test launch. 3, 2, 1, goes. Okay, so one more thing. I forgot to mention that it has a custom 3D printed disc called Hoplet. I used one Prime as the disc because these were meant to align with the spear to cause heavy damage like dagger. But due to Aries' weight, it was too unbalanced. So I had to switch to Vanguard to push some of the weight down instead of to the side. And that's it.